Have you ever thought about how much of life, and especially games, revolves around chance and probability? Today, let me show you a game I've been working on. Probability Factory, that doesn't just use probability, it lets you play with it. We'll dive into how this game visualizes probability, making it fun and interactive, and then I'll give you a peek at some of the development highlights. Probability is the likelihood of something happening, like a 50-50 chance of getting heads when you flip a coin. In games, probability adds excitement and replayability. It means things won't always go the exact same way, and that's where the fun begins. In this game, probability is woven into almost every part of the ball's journey. It all starts at the top with a ball dispenser. Notice how it moves from side to side? This means each ball begins its fall from a slightly different spot, including the first element of chance. You can't perfectly predict where it will enter the peg field. Next, the balls encounter the pegs. These plank and cross pegs are set at random angles when the level begins, and react to the physics of being hit. Each collision is like a mini event, nudging the ball one way or another. Will it spin the cross? Which side of the pegs will it hit? This cascade of these small chances. And this is where you, the player, come in. You get a limited number of these dot pegs to place. You can't control every bounce, but you can strategically alter the landscape, trying to nudge those probabilities in your favor to guide the ball towards that highlighted collection box. As all the balls fall, what you're seeing is an emergent pattern. Each ball takes its own unique path through that field of chances you and the random generator created. It's kind of like a Plinko board, where many small random events lead to an overall distribution. It's probability made visible. Ultimately, winning isn't just about luck. It's about understanding these tendencies, observing the flow, and using these strategic dot placements to make it more probable that the highlighted box catches the most balls. You're playing with probability. One of the best parts of the development process was the procedural generation. The positions of the planks and crosses, their initial angles, which collection box is highlighted, and even how many balls you get is all randomized, for each layout using a grid system. This means tons of replayability and a fresh puzzle every time. That's a little look into Probability Factory and how it tries to make probability a tangible and playful experience. It shows the math concepts can be the backbone of some really engaging game mechanics. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, a like would be awesome, and consider subscribing for more game dev and fun project updates. See you next time!